Hello, my name is Emily McEvoy. I'm going to give my digital learning tools presentation on the app Clever. This is what the app photo looks like when you search it on the App Store. Clever is known as a single sign-on access to any online resource or application. It is free of cost to its users. To use it, your district must be set up with Clever. If your district is not on the website, you can ask your school or district technology team to sign up on clever.com. That was the case with me when I heard about Clever. My district wasn't yet using it, so I asked my tech team leader to sign up, and she got it done the same day. Clever can be used from kindergarten all the way to 12th grade. There's no skills needed, you just need access to Clever and a device. Also, it provides instant engagement from scanning the QR code. One of my hesitations with Clever was the safeness of it when I heard about it, but I pulled this screenshot from Clever's website, and it says it's one of the most widely used single sign-on platforms for K-12 education. Something that really stood out to me was that 2.6 million students use Clever badges to log in. The badge is just another word for the QR code. It also said that it's trusted by 94 of the top school districts nationwide. Some of those include Denver school districts, Orange County, and Boston. Here is a video I found on Clever's website that I'm going to let play. It gives a great overview of all that Clever can do.
Welcome to Clever. In this video, you'll learn about what Clever is and how to make the most of it. Schools work better with Clever. How? Well, good things happen when K through 12 students can easily log into powerful education software. With Clever, there's more time to teach and learn. Your school can get more out of the learning apps the district has already invested in. Here's how Clever can help. Keeps all of your learning apps in one place. Automatically creates accounts and passwords for all of your students. Keeps student data safe. Clever is a single sign-on, or SSO, portal that makes it easy for you and your students to access all of your digital learning resources safely and securely with just one username and password. With Clever, you don't have to remember dozens of usernames and passwords. We take care of that for you. Log in once and you're logged into everything. It's really that simple. But Clever doesn't just help you access apps that your district has shared with you. There's so much more you can do inside of the Clever portal to save time and increase productivity for yourself and your students. Launch applications for an entire class, or log them out. Help students get logged into their learning apps. Find and try out new applications to supplement your teaching for free. Read reviews for apps direct from verified teachers and write your own. Organize, manage, and customize your resources however you like. Access support through the Help Center and Clever Academy. Are you ready to become a Clever Power Teacher? Log in today at clever.com/login to get started. Get in touch with us and get started today.
I thought that video was a really great overview, but I'm going to go into a little more depth with this presentation. Something that the students can do is after the teacher adds the students into their class on Clever, it will generate a QR code that's specific to each student. The student uses the QR code to log into Clever, which is the host for many other apps. Students simply scan their QR code on the Clever app and it will instantly log them into all of the apps the teacher loads onto their page. This avoids student frustration when logging into a website or app. That is half the battle with my little people because sometimes it will take them an entire reading rotation just to log into an app and then I ring the bell. So this app has been a game changer. Here is a video of one of my first graders using the app.
Which word do you hear?
So as you can see, I taped their QR codes to the back of their name tags just so they don't lose them. They get on the Clever app, scan the QR code, gives them the green check mark, and then they're in and they can find whatever app we are working on for the day. This is what the teacher page looks like when you log into Clever. There's my page, a page that's just for me so the students can't see, and then a district page for things that are shared with my district. When you want to add an app so your students can see, you click this green button here and it will say add a new page or new app. Something else that's really nice about this is you can see all of your students on the side. I put this block here so you can't see their last name for privacy reasons, but it's really nice because it shows me who's logged in at the moment, and this is what the video was talking about when you can log them out. It's super nice. So here's what it looks like when you're going to add an app. For this, I was going to add ABC Mouse, so I searched it on Clever. Then I click install and it will bring me to this page. It's just asking if it would like me to create accounts for me and my students using Clever. So I allow it and continue. Then it brings me to the actual ABC Mouse page where I just log in with my already existing account and then it syncs it all up for me automatically. And it's literally that simple. It's awesome. Here is one more video of one of my little buddies using the app. It's really that simple, and if your district isn't using it, you should bring it to their attention because it is awesome. Thank you.